one of the most common, if not the most common pieces of software used for web design is Adobe Photoshop. Now, this course, I use Adobe Photoshop and I use it professionally as well, but that doesn't mean you have to have Adobe Photoshop. In all reality, it's expensive. You can subscribe to Creative Cloud for 20 bucks a month, or you can flat out buy the software for upwards of $1,000. Now, not everyone has $1,000 or 20 bucks a month to drop on a piece of software they may or may not be using in their professional career. However, there are free alternatives, which I'll list in this lecture. And also, you can get a free 30-day trial of Adobe Photoshop, which is plenty of time for you to have the software and follow along with the course. So once we start the Photoshop section, go ahead and go to adobe.com/Photoshop, and then you can sign up for your free trial, no credit card required, anything like that. One other thing that I wanted to let you in on was a little secret that us web designers and graphic designers like to take advantage of. And that's free resources, places that allow you to download free fonts, graphics, icons, free WordPress themes, HTML themes, code snippets, plugins, photography, stock photography, and a lot more. Now, these things are pretty expensive to buy flat out, but if you're just want to practice, or if you just want to kind of jump in and you just need access to a couple icons or a font or something like that, there's a way to get those things for free. And that is using the service or the website called Creative Market. And if you go to bradhussey.ca/Creative Market and then subscribe to their newsletters, because every week they'll give you 3 to 5 free things you could download. And basically every week I go ahead and download those because they're incredibly useful.